Sup, y'all? Been doing a lot of working and working out and doing other things, so I haven't been able to get on the computer every single freaking day to get your entertaining videos done. So, that's what I'm doing. Wow! I was saving that one for you guys. The other two videos I made, I'm not even going to release them because, well, unless you guys want them, they're really short and cut off real quick. So I'm just gonna make this more potent. Yeah, more potent for my opponent. More potent for my opponent. More potent for my opponent. Man, why isn't it burping right? Ah! I'm going to burp with this mask on. Ain't that different? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to get saliva all over that. Oh! Well, I'm going to try not to spit on my computer because the last 3 videos that I've done got canceled and deleted. So, and I don't know what else to do. I'm just going to keep making videos over and over and over and over. Even though I'm working and doing other things, I'm going to keep doing it until you guys get a good video. This is what I got. I got a Zero Energy Silver Ice. And it's really nice tasting. You think I'm crazy? Man, did you know that there is a way of doing it? You gotta suck in the air. Once you figured out how to suck in air, then you just go work your way up in quantities of air. You'll feel it pressure in your stomach. Don't do it too much because you don't know how much your stomach can take. It goes into your stomach, not your lungs, kids. Does that make sense? I don't know why I want to read a loogie. But man, that was really, really, really wet. Well, I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say, but I like to burp, okay? I like to belch, okay? And said, whoa, dude. You know, you suck in the air and you let it out. That's a tip. You let it out. Don't force it. Get the feel of it. Yeah. Look like the Joker when you're doing it. I'm coughing. Oh, sounds like I got COVID. Okay, just had to do that real quick. Woo! How far can you spit those slimy loogies, Spencer? Not very far, honestly. Try spitting water all the time, and then do that. Saliva is harder to spit, it's harder to aim, and it takes some skill, man. It does. And if you don't got any skill, run to the hills. So get up out of my way. If you're trying to get in my way, you're irate. Yeah, I'm gonna punch you in your eye, mate. Yeah, I'm gonna make you cry, mate. Oh, poor baby. All right, I think that's it. I should have gotten club soda because that really makes me more energetic and more belchy, more gassy, and less energetic. Blah, 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 blah. This is caffeine and only has 20 calories. Full of caffeine. I want a melody. I want to play a melody. Yeah. You can go to heck. You dweeb. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway. Oh, man. Sometimes I cannot rap. All right. And you think I'm something else? You think I'm something else because my voice sounds this way? Well, tell you, you don't know me. You don't know who I am. All right? You think you know me? You don't. Bye-bye. Get out of here, hater. Hater. Anyway. Yeah, I mess up. I'm human. One day at a time. Take it one day at a time. And one day at a time, and you'll be just fine. Okay, right? All right? I'm going to do the longest one I can do. And then just forget about the gas. I'm not trying to rhyme with every single word, okay? It's annoying, dude. This isn't about rapping, dude. I love rapping, but come on, man. Yeah, you can't do this, can you? You can't! Can you? Crush a can with your hand, dude? No can do! Don't you fall on the floor! You can do it! Yeah! I think this might be able to top the other video. Okay? I'm not going to try and do it. I had a lot of caffeine today, man. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, you got me twisted, bro. You got me twisted, bro. You done got the guts to say it to my face, though. You got me twisted like a twisted sister. Got me twisted like a twister. You're not going to get me twisted, sir. So get your blistered butt out of my face, you Mr. Slut. And I don't give a crap if you're pissed and whatnot. I'm going off of the top of the dome, spitting it hot. Yeah. I lit it up. I go out off of the top and I hit him up. When I hit him up, Give him a hit and stuff. I ain't a drug dealer, but I'll give him a fist and stuff. Because they're going to get hit up. Yeah. They're going to hit me up. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm going to be really silly. Yep. I don't know what I'm talking about. Why am I waving my arms around? I'm acting like a awesome clown. And you want to say that I cannot come off the top of the dome? And that I did not rhyme? That didn't either. That did. Either and... I forgot what I was doing. Was I supposed to burp? Yeah. Duh. I'm going to hide my face. I'm going to hide my face. Yeah. Keep that mask on, dude. It's better. It's better that way. Keep your mask on, bro. Sis. Whoever you are. Whatever you are. Yeah. I better not gnaw. Not gnaw. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm being random. Sorry, I'll keep burping, y'all. I'm not trying to impress you with my rap skills, okay? Because I can do that later. And we can debate her. Yeah, you are the bait for a debate. And there is nothing else that I can say. I'm going off at the top of the brain. Get it, man? Okay, I'm done. Oh, hey, let's go look at my fridge. Let's go see what else I can eat.